Getting the security or firewall settings might be blocking the connection error? In this video, I'll show you how to resolve it step by step. Let's get started. Open Google Chrome on your PC. Click on the three vertical dots icon in the upper right corner to customize and control Google Chrome. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. Scroll down to the bottom in the left pane to locate the Advanced section. Choose Reset and clean up under it. Select Restore Settings to their original defaults in the right pane. Click on the Reset Settings button in the pop-up window to confirm the action. Press Windows +I on the keyboard to open Settings. Shift to the Troubleshoot option in the left pane. Locate the Internet Connections option under Get Up and Running in the right pane. Select it and click Run the Troubleshooter button. Wait and follow the on-screen instructions to finish. Locate Incoming Connections under Find and Fix Other Problems. Repeat Step 5 and 6. Do the same to the network adapter. Press Windows +R to open the Run dialog window. Type MSC and click OK to open Device Manager. Find network adapters in the list and expand it. Right-click on your adapter and choose Uninstall Device. Click Uninstall in the pop-up window to confirm. Restart your computer. Press Windows +I. Select Network and Internet. Scroll down in the right status pane. Look for the Network Reset link under Change Your Network Settings. Click it and then click Reset Now. Just wait.